In this update we have great progress and it's about time because the end of the year is coming. In my face palette there was a broken shade that I repressed to use it as a bronzer. It was in a little box and as you can see the little box is now empty. I've used this Franken bronzer 13 times in August and 15 times in September. I used it twice on my legs and it worked well. It might not look that tanned on the picture, but of course using it in a big area like that helped me to use more bronzer. Other than that I used it on my face like a regular bronzer, and since I had already finished a pink shade in the palette, it's my second shade totally finished. I've used it a total of 114 times in this project. Now let's talk about the shades that remained in the actual palette. This is how it looked last update, and this is how it looks now. So I finished the last tiny stripe of dark shade that was remaining in the palette. I've used it 10 times in August and 1 time in September, and every time it was in my brows. So it means it's the third shade in the palette that is totally finished, and I used this one 48 times in this project. The biggest surprise comes from the cooler brown here, because I've really learned to like it and now it's part of my daily routine. I've already used a good chunk of it and it's also flattened. I've only used it once in a dry shampoo, and all the other times I've used it as it is intended to be used, as a contour, and I'm using it as I've shown you in the last update, not with a sponge but with a brush, and I don't really know if it does that much for me, but when I apply it with this brush it's not as patchy as when I was using it with a sponge. And now it's such a habit that I do it without thinking about it. And we can see this in the numbers because I've used it 12 times in August, but 25 times in September. And I've used the majority of the yellow stripe. I used it to conceal my lid and I've used it 19 times in August and 21 times in September. So I used it as much as I could, but now I'm at the point where I can't grab it without grabbing some brown shade at the same time, so I think I will scrap it with a little bit of the brown shade and make a baby bronzer with it. I could repress the whole thing in a bronzer, and since I use more bronzer than I use contour, it would even be a safer way to guarantee that I can finish the palette before the finale. But I think it's funnier and more challenging to use the contour shade as a contour as much as I can, and I'm planning to do one more update in 1 month before the finale, so we'll see what I choose to do then, but for now I'm gonna try to use it as much as I can as a contour. So for next month I hope to have the new repressed Franken baby bronzer finished and more progress on the cooler brown. Now on to the blush challenge. I've kept making an effort to mix blushes to reach my goal of 20 uses at least on each blush. So once again I have more uses each month than there are days in the month, and I have 42 uses in August and 54 in September. As update, what was notable was that I had started to use my cream blushes, especially the one that is a bullet lipstick repurposed as a blush, and what stands out this update is that I used a lot both my cream blushes. So what happened is that I was using the real cream blush when I was on vacation, so I was applying it in the morning, and as I had plenty of time later in the day I was touching up my makeup and I was applying another blush, and the first one had plenty of time to dry. But then I also found out that if I was using the tiniest bit of this blush, it would dry down, of course, way faster, and so I was able to put this first thing when I was doing my makeup, and by the time I had done my eye makeup and other things, it has dried down enough to be topped with a powder blush. So it's a bit using it for the sake of using it, and I'm not too fond of that, but it does wonders for my numbers. I've used this one 10 times in August and 17 times in September, and I've used this one 8 times in August and 7 times in September. So now it's really a part of my daily routine, so I keep using them in turn, even though I'm way over my 20 uses goal. Other than that, my most used blushes for August are Enjoy the Sunset and the Orange Happy Birthday from Sephora, and in September it's Terra from Benefit. So where do we stand regarding my goal for this year? At the end of September, we are at 75% of the year, so I should have used all of my blushes at least 15 times, and of course I am late on all the blushes that I have used less than 15 times, and there are only 2 of them, which is really good. They're both pink. It's Pink Macaroon from Sephora and Frat Boy from The Balm. Last update I was late on 8 of my blushes, so I've really caught up, and with my uses on my 2 cream blushes, I'm now over the 20 uses marks for 3 blushes. So even if the end of the year is coming, I can still reach my goal. Of course, I will keep on mixing blushes, and apparently I will wear a lot of pink blush. So I will see you next month for one last update before the finale. And if you want to watch more Project Pan content, there will be links in the description below. And thanks for watching. Bye!